6 foods you should never eat again. Are you ready to step up your health game? Here's a list of 6 foods you should never eat again. First up, say goodbye to processed meats. They're packed with sodium and nitrates, wreaking havoc on your heart health. Next is sugary drinks. Sure, they quench your thirst, but they spike your blood sugar and can lead to weight gain. Third, we have white bread. It's stripped of nutrients and fiber, and can cause a rapid rise in your blood sugar. Fourth on our blacklist is microwave popcorn. Surprised? The bags are lined with chemicals that can cause health problems. Fifth, we have margarine. It was once touted as a healthy alternative to butter, but the trans fats in it beg to differ. Lastly, avoid refined cereals. They might be quick and tasty, but they're also stripped of nutrients and loaded with sugar. Remember, your body is your temple. Treat it well and it will serve you well. Make the switch to healthier alternatives today. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more health tips and remember, you are what you eat, so eat wisely.